Let's take a quick look at each of the COREtec collections, beginning with WPC. COREtec One is our most economical option. With COREtec One, you get great looks and unmatched durability in a simpler and more durable alternative to glue-down luxury vinyl, click vinyl, or laminate flooring. COREtec Plus adds the comfort, noise reduction, and mold resistance of cork to its great looks and durability. You can choose between 5 and 7-inch wide planks for different looks. If you prefer the look of stone, COREtec Plus tile also features the comfort, noise reduction, and mold resistance of cork in tile sizes ranging from 12 by 24 to 18 by 24 inches. To achieve realistic wood and stone looks, COREtec Plus Enhanced employs an enhanced painted bevel for added depth in yet another innovative evolution in waterproof core flooring. COREtec Plus XL is a collection of extra-large 9-inch by 72-inch planks, the largest luxury vinyl plank on the market. The scale of this collection adds to the authentic wood looks. As a bonus, large planks can also reduce installation time, especially in large rooms. The COREtec Plus XL Enhanced Collection adds beautiful design touches and enhanced painted bevels to stunning large format planks for the look, feel, and detail of real hardwood floors. The COREtec Plus Design Collection takes bold styling up a notch with multi-tone and multi-width planks for true statement-making style. The COREtec Plus HD collection earns its high-definition status by utilizing embossed in-register technology as well as enhanced painted bevel for planks that achieve the most authentic look and feel of real wood. The COREtec Plus Premium collection offers all the style and easy care of the COREtec Plus in a warmer and quieter floor. You won't see the difference, but with a thicker core and double the cork in the underlayment, you'll feel and hear the difference. True luxury to walk on. Let's take a look at COREtec's SPC offerings. For high-traffic residential and commercial use, look to the Pro Plus collection. These floors deliver outstanding style with unmatched superior dent and impact resistance. The Pro Plus Enhanced collection features enhanced painted bevels for ultra-realistic wood and stone looks, as well as a rigid core construction perfect for your busy lifestyle. COREtec has a floor to fit virtually any budget, style preference, or installation location. They're easy to install and maintain with premium features such as waterproof core detailed embossing and a cork underlayment that is naturally resistant to water, fire, insects, and mold. As a result, all COREtec floors are 100% waterproof, kid-proof, and pet-proof.